Here's how to instantly improve your home's property value and curb appeal. And it starts with something most homeowners overlook: concrete cracks. A cracked driveway doesn't just affect aesthetics. It can also reduce buyers' confidence and even impact your home's final selling price. Visible cracks on driveways, patios, and sidewalks can make a home look neglected, lowering its perceived value. Potential home buyers may see these imperfections as red flags, wondering what other maintenance issues may be hiding underneath the surface. So while you might think of crack repair as just another expense, it's really an investment in your overall value of your home. Cracks in your concrete can create much bigger problems for your home, like tripping hazards. But DIY fixes aren't always enough. If you're dealing with a severely cracked or sinking concrete surface, temporary solutions like concrete patches or caulk won't be enough. It's time to call the experts. For lasting protection, professional concrete repair is key. Experts use advanced techniques to both restore both function and aesthetics, ensuring stability for years to come. One time-tested solution is polyurethane foam injections. This ultra-strong foam is injected underneath damaged concrete to lift it back into place. It's durable, environmentally friendly, and it sets in just a few minutes. Many repairs like polyfoam lifting even come with transferable warranties, giving future buyers peace of mind and making your home stand out in the market. Cracks in your concrete may not seem like a big deal right away, but when it comes to your home, even a small crack can lead to a major dip. Call Groundworks today for a free inspection.